Hello, it's great to be here. My name is KR Prasad, and I'm the founder and CEO of Envisio. At Envisio, we have built a mobile transaction platform which seamlessly connects to the existing POS infrastructure of the retailers. And it doesn't cost the retailers anything to do this thing. They don't have to invest in any new hardware or make changes to their current software. And now the brands, basically now the retailers and brands can send highly personalized offers, coupons, promotions to their customers before they come to the store, while they are in the store, and with seamless redemption by the phone at the point of sale, right? Brands now can run highly targeted campaigns, and not only they also get redemption data in real time. This is as compared to they are not getting any data or very little data, which is not actionable. A retailer can push an offer as soon as the customer comes in the store, a highly personalized offer, which the customer can go and at the checkout redeem it seamlessly. For the customers, we have built a very simple and easy user experience. The coupon comes on the phone, they go to the checkout, with a simple scan, all the discounts are applied instantly. And we also have solved a number of operational problems in the whole system. Coupon fraud, which is actually a very big problem in the industry. The industry is losing probably hundreds of millions of dollars in this thing. We have fixed that problem. There is zero coupon fraud on our system. We have also reduced coupon processing cost for the retailers. And the third thing is dramatically we have brought down the payment settlement times from 12 to 16 weeks to only 1 week, which means the retailer gets paid every Monday. Right? In the market, we are seeing a lot of traction. We have finished 2 pilots, one with a grocery chain in LA, which has been very successful. We have been given the okay to launch it publicly. We are doing that in October. We have also successfully finished pilot in Bevmo, which is a wine and spirits retailer. They have given us the okay. We are launching it next month. We are seeing a huge demand from brands and retailers, and I would like to talk to whoever is here. And we have built a very big pipeline, and we are looking at raising $1 million quickly to scale the operations, and then we'll be looking at $6 to $8 million to scale because of all the demand we are seeing. Right? We are also going to be at NRF in New York in January, along with Plug and Play's retail team. I invite folks to come and join us there. Thank you.